So that video you just saw simply shows that when you are able to rank your video so well on YouTube, it's obvious that you'll be making more views on YouTube. You can try this yourself by searching any random thing on YouTube. You can clearly see that the videos that appear at the top or that appears first have more views comparing to the rest. So to achieve this great result, you need to do SEO, which is search engine optimization, and this is how you go about it. So the general concept about SEO is making sure that your keywords appear in your title, your description, your tag, your hashtags, and everything about your video. Now the question here is, how do you find the right keywords for your videos? You see, this is a secret for free, so make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you'll be updated anytime I have more secrets like this for you. Now, I made mention of keyword, and here is how to find the right keywords for your videos. There is a keyword research tool called keyword2.io. You can search this on any of the web browsers you are using, but I recommend Google Chrome. So you go to your Google Chrome and then you search keyword.io. Now you can type the keyword that you want to rank for your video, and you'll be getting lots of questions or keywords that people use in the YouTube search engine. So now when a website provides you with all these keywords, the only thing you have to do is just copy all the keywords and paste in your description. Make sure you use some of the keywords in your title, and make sure they also appear in your hashtags and in your tags as well. You should note that the maximum words that can be used in YouTube description is 5,000. So after pasting, if the words exceed the 5,000, you can just delete some of the words and keep the remaining. And also, when it comes to SEO, this is the right way to determine the right keyword to rank your video for. Now, using vidIQ, we have something we call search result and then competition. So when the competition is high and the search result is also high, it's obvious that you can make some good amounts of views. But when the competition is high and the search result is low, then your video won't do well. As well as when the competition is low and then search result is very high, your video is definitely going to do well in search result. Now this is basically the meaning of search results and then competition. Competition basically means the number of people or the amount of videos that are already being produced on YouTube. Let's say you are making a video about how to make money online. There are several videos or several creators who have made such videos. So when there are more videos, then you have a high competition. Same as search result. Search result is the amount of search or the number of times people come to search that particular video in a day. That is what we call search result. So when the search result is high and then the competition is low, your video is definitely going to get much views. Only if you do what I've taught you in this video. So this same methodology is what I've used to gain more views on my previous channel, which has been monetized. So this is a sample of views that I was able to accommodate from the search results on this particular video. Same as this is also the amount of views I was able to acquire or accumulate from this video as well. So you can see that this methodology is a very practical and reliable one. It's a very useful one. So I can assure you that when you are able to use this to rank your video, you will always be getting more views on your YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like my video, share it to your friends who are also in this YouTube journey, and help them grow their channel as well. My name is Jade Kinsley. We'll catch you up in my next upload.